I'm sorry I got the headphones on. I can't play the music because Facebook mute it, and it's too much for me to try and play the music and get muted again. So just look on the link and you'll be able to listen to the music and me on www.vulcansoundradio.com until 5 o'clock, and then we've got Scott's Party Mix for 3 hours, followed by the Great Matt Black at 8 o'clock, and then of course Marion Miller at 10 o'clock with a country show. So right, we've just had Duran Duran, Hungry Like a Wolf, sorry, not a fool. And next up, we've got, we have got Hungry Like a Wolf playing, sorry. Right now, get me glasses on. Having a great time here. Can't see a bleeding thing. Yeah, we just had Pet Shop Boys, always on my mind. Duran Duran, Hungry Like a Wolf, and it just started raining. I've got the gazebo up, but it's leaking. Hi, Lisa in America. Hi, David. Right. Yeah, click on the link, www.vulcansoundradio.com, and you can listen to some great music. Yeah, I'll put it there for you, the link. And unfortunately, Facebook mute it. Let's do the link. There you go. There's the link. Just click on the link. Just put it on your mobile or your laptop. Hiya, Lisa. Hiya, Lisa in Castle Laneway. Hi, David. It's raining here. Look, I'll show you. It's raining again. I'll put the music up. Come on, let's party. Let's have some effects.
Sorry. That was coffee, though, could be.
The sugar's upstairs. There might be some downstairs though. Right, let's see what we can get for effect. How about that? Is that all right? Flowers. Yeah, there we go. Done. I think that's it. Done, is it? I don't know how you